Hello guys, what's up? In this video, I will show you how to create a digital clock using Python. This is quite simple task to get started with the Python graphical user interface library Tkinter, okay, which is built-in package that comes with Python. Tkinter has some cool features that can used to build this type of simple apps. Okay, now let's see how to create a digital clock GUI application with Python. First of all, I will create a Python file named digital clock.py. Okay, then I will importing these libraries from Tkinter import level and tk. Okay, then we will import time. Okay, now let's define the title and size of our application. Okay, first of all we will instantiate, we will create like window instantiate Tkinter object. Okay, then our window dot title, which will give us the title of our clock. I will say this is digital clock. Okay, digital clock. Then window dot geometry, this will resize our blocks or the clock size. Okay, here I give 420 into like 160. Okay, 160 pixels. Then we will window dot resizable 11. Okay, note that in that code I will set both the height and the width as true. 11 represents true. If you don't want a fixed window or don't want to maximize or minimize the output, you can set it like false, or here I will show that 0, 0. Okay, 0, 0. So I will skip that part. Now here I will define the font of the time and its color, and its border width and the background color of the digital clock. Okay, so I will text font name will be bolder. Text font size I give it 65. Then it will bold. Okay, then our background color will be F, it's represent hexadecimal representation, F2E 750. You can give your favorite color. Here I will use that color. Then we'll use foreground. Okay, foreground same to same, and here we will use 363529. okay, 3635 and 29, 35 and 29. Okay, then I will set the border width. Okay, border width equals 25. Okay, 25 pixel of border width. Now here I will combine all the elements to define the label of the clock application. Okay, so first I will create a label, then we'll call our label object, then which will window will, here this window will pass here as a parameter. Okay, then our font will be text font and background BG represents background. Okay, background. Then our foreground fg will like foreground. Okay, foreground. Then our border width, which represents like bd border width. Okay, we pass all of these parameters. Now level dot grid. Okay, grid row equals 0 and column equals 1. Now let's define the main function of our digital clock. Here I will set the text of the level as the real time. Okay, so now we'll define our main function, digital clock, then time underscore live. This represents the exact time where exact time or the live time. Okay, then we will import time dot strft time. Then first hour, first like h, then minutes, and then second, percent s for seconds. Okay, now our level dot config. Okay, config text, we'll pass here a parameter called text which will show the live time. Okay, time live. Then level dot after 200 and after 200 seconds or 200, it's like a delay, it will again call this function. Here I will digital clock. Okay, it's like a recursive function. Then we just need to call this function digital clock once, function as once, and then our window dot main loop. Okay, it's a Tkinter based default. Now if we run this Python 3 our clock.py, okay, here you show that a live, this represent us a digital clock. Oh, here I made a mistake. Okay, if we again run this, now it will show in correct order. Okay, you can see I can resize this clock window. Okay, if you mentioned this as window.resizable equals 00, then it shouldn't be resizable. Okay, I think this project will help you a lot for understanding the Tkinter library. Okay, if you enjoyed this project, then give a like and comment down below if you have any problem. Okay.